Hi friends. I'm your guardian angel and I will guide you throughout your life. A combination of strategic planning, conscientious money management, and dedication to your objectives is needed to pay off debt more quickly. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. The following are some practical methods to assist you in paying off your debt more quickly. 1. Create a budget. Establish a thorough budget that details your earnings, outgoings, and debt repayments. This can help you see clearly where your money is going and where adjustments can be made to direct more money towards paying off debt. 2. Prioritize debt with a high interest rate. Because it will cost you more in the long term, concentrate on paying off high-interest debt first. Frequently, this is credit card debt. While making the minimal payments on your other debts, allocate as much extra money as you can to paying off this one. 3. Apply the debt snowball technique. From smallest to highest balance, list your debts. On all debts but the lowest, make the bare minimum payment. Until it is paid off, put as much money as you can towards the smallest loan. Go on to the next smallest debt once it has been paid off. The psychological drive offered by this approach comes from seeing debts being paid off. 4. Apply the debt avalanche technique, in a manner similar to the snowball method, but using interest rates rather than balances to determine priority. Debts with higher interest rates should be paid off first, followed by those with higher interest rates after that. Over time, using this strategy will result in greater interest savings. 5. Reduce discretionary expenditure. Reduce non-essential expenditure, such as on entertainment, dining out, and shopping, temporarily. Use the money you'll save to pay off debt. 6. Increase your income. Look for ways to increase your income, such as taking a part-time job, working as a freelancer, or selling stuff you no longer need. Your debt reduction schedule can be greatly accelerated by using this additional revenue to make direct debt payments. 7. Negotiate interest rates. If you have a solid payment record, get in touch with your creditors to work out a better deal. Over time, you can save money with even a small reduction. 8. Use windfalls wisely. Pay off your debt using unanticipated windfalls like tax returns or bonuses. Although it may be tempting to indulge, keep in mind that these cash can significantly reduce your debt. 9. Consolidate or refinance. Think about combining several loans into one with a reduced interest rate or refinancing current loans to receive a better rate. This can make payments easier and lower interest rates. 10. Avoid accumulating new debt. Avoid accumulating new debt while you're concentrated on paying off existing debt. By doing this, your financial condition won't deteriorate further. Sell whatever you no longer need to clear out your home of clutter. Use the money to pay off more debt. 12. Side hustles and freelancing. Use your talents or interests to find side jobs or freelance work to supplement your income. Put this extra money to use paying down your debt. 13. Automate payments. Set up recurring payments to avoid missing deadlines. This keeps you on track and helps you avoid late fees. 14. Track your efforts. Keep tabs on your debt repayment efforts on a regular basis. This can encourage you to follow your goal and recognize accomplishments along the way. Keep in mind that discipline and commitment are necessary to pay off debt more quickly. Select the tactics that are compatible with your financial condition and objectives. A financial counselor should be consulted in order to create a plan that is specifically tailored to your situation. Like, share, subscribe and comment.